Hey there, welcome back. So here's a quick question for you. What if you could capture leads directly from Instagram comments and auto tag them and then retarget them later on WhatsApp? Sounds useful, right? Well, that's exactly what we are going to set up today with Interact. Alright, let's jump in. Once you're on the Interact dashboard, look at the left-hand panel, head over to Automation, and click on Instagram Quick Flows. Here, we are going to choose Lead Generation. Click on Create New, and then pick the third icon. That's the one that helps you capture leads straight from your Instagram post. Now click on Proceed. Here you will need at least one Instagram post for this to work. So select the post you want to use to start collecting the leads. Here's the fun part. You will get to set the trigger words, exact key match, and any comments. For example, if you're a travel agency using Interact, a customer sees your holiday post, gets interested, and wants to know more. Interact helps you to guide them to comment with specific keywords, any exact matches, or keep the automation open for all the comments. If you choose to trigger the automation only with specific keywords, you can say, type travel plan details for a custom itinerary, or reply with next trip to discover upcoming tours, or comment holiday package to explore exclusive things, etc. Don't forget, you can also filter out spam comments or random emojis, so only real leads get picked up. Now click on Next. Let's set up the reply message. This is what people will receive when they comment with your chosen keywords. You can ask for their phone number, email ID, or both. Click Next to move ahead. Now let's make this reply a little more engaging. We will create a card that gets sent automatically once a customer shares their details. You can add an image, a catchy title, and action buttons. This card will be used to thank customers for submitting their information. Let them know someone will get back to them soon, or even share coupon codes and offers. If you want to send them to a website, use the link button. Or if you just want to keep the chat going, use a quick reply. Take a quick look at the preview on the right-hand side. If that looks good to you, perfect. Go ahead and hit on Activate Automation. Here's where Interact saves you a ton of effort. Everyone who comes through this flow gets an auto-generated tag assigned to their profile. When someone comments on your post and shares contact details, you can see the auto-generated tags here in the dashboard. Let me show you how. Here you can see when somebody commented with the keywords you have set in, they have received this message. In the Instagram inbox, you can view the responses received from the client. Now that your leads are tagged, let's put them to good use. Go back to the left panel, click on Campaigns, then click on New Campaign. Click on Create from Scratch, name your campaign. You get to choose Audience Step. Click on Apply Audience Filter. Here you will see that shiny new automated tag along with the contact details received. Same as you have seen in Inbox. Just apply the filter and you can send a WhatsApp campaign directly to the people who have shown real interest in your post. You can send it immediately or schedule it to be sent later, whether that's a few minutes, hours, or even days after the engagement. And that's it. You have just set up a simple but powerful flow to capture leads from Instagram, auto-tag them, and retarget them with WhatsApp campaigns. And the best part, these auto-tags are free and do not consume your regular tag limits. It keeps your leads organized without you lifting a finger. If you found this helpful, stick around. We've got plenty more tutorials on how you can use Interact to make your business communication smoother and smarter. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.